Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a detailed project plan outline using ChatGPT. Let's dive straight in. A project plan outline is a roadmap for getting things done on time and in right order. With ChatGPT, you can quickly create a clear structure tailored to your needs. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser and logging into your account. And in the chat box, type a concise, precise request like create a detailed project plan outline for launching a marketing campaign, including milestones, deadlines, and key tasks. The more details you provide, such as project goals, timeline, team members, and tools you use, the more accurate and useful your plan will be. Once ChatGPT generates the outline, review it carefully. Check if the milestones match your real deadlines. Ensure the tasks are practical and adjust anything that doesn't fit your situation. You can also ask ChatGPT to add sections like risk management, progress tracking, and resource allocation for more comprehensive plan. Finally, copy your customized plan into a project management tool or document so your team can follow it easily. This approach saves time, improves organization, and helps you stay on track from start to finish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.